Hi guys, today I'm going to explain one of the concept like when to use abstract class in Java, and I'm going to explain with the help of an example. So I will use a real use case which you might have used in your college days when creating a dummy school project to calculate the grade of all students in the school and all. So the use case is simple. We need to calculate the grade of the students in different departments. For example, for the convenience, I have taken two departments, that is science group and arts group. And science group has three subjects and arts group have two subjects like history and literature. So let me directly jump into the code to explain what all things I we need to consider while creating an abstract class. Yeah, see, this is the abstract class I have written. So first of all, we'll be creating a student class and mark it as an abstract with an abstract keyword. Then the first thing we need to note is like there are few points we need to note. Out of that, first one is we need to write all the common fields which we will be using in and all the subclasses in the base class itself. That is in the student class, like name, roll number. These are common fields, right? And we'll be creating a constructor for the same so that once we started creating the object, we can use that. Then the second point is like we need to create see above fields are like no, non-abstract fields. Now the next thing is like we need to create either the non-abstract field and abstract method. Abstract method are like the method like whose values will be varying based on the implementation in different subclasses. So here we'll be having different grades based on the different number of subjects, right? So science student will be having a different grade, and how about this thing? Art student will be having a different way of calculating the grade. So we'll create the grade like that. So I will create a science student class and extend from the student and add these three fields. These are going to be my input for calculating calculate grade method. Discard the implementation here. It is just a normal way of implementation. So that is one thing. Now the art student also I will add this a different way of implementation. That is you can discard that actually. So we have written the abstract methods. Now the next thing is like we need to print the details like the display details, which will be a concrete method which is not going to change. Only value is going to change is like this calculate the grade that we have abstracted out. So this is an entire example for an abstract class. And if I run it in the main method I have created to both the students, and then display the method, display the call the display method to see the output here. You can see the values here. That is student John, roll number 101, and the grade is this thing. Same for the Alice also. So that is the implementation. So one of the quick question that arises as a part of this is like when when to use this abstract class basically. See the answer to that question is like, see, for example, if I have some varying implementations other, that is one point we need to consider. Like the abstracting the complexity, right? See the calculate grade, we are abstracting it out, and we are hiding that complexity at the time of calling, right? So they are abstracting the complexity. That is one thing. That is one use case of this abstract. Yeah. Then, as I mentioned, like what all are the common fields will be exposing it at the base level, right? So what all common things that are varying, that will be adding at the top level. So these are the other two use cases in which we are using an abstract class. Provide, that is, it provides a common template. Provides a common template so that we can use this common behaviors in unique aspects basically. and the second one is it encapsulating the complexity. That is the complex part of the implementations are exposed only in relevant parts of the subclasses only. Okay, so that's it from my side. So if you have any queries, you can reach out to me by commenting in that video. And if you like the content, just like it and subscribe my channel. That will that makes me to write more content. Okay, thanks a lot.